In this video, I'll show you 10 common video editing mistakes that make your content look unprofessional and exactly how to fix them. Hi and welcome. Here I share valuable lessons on AI video editing, AI content creation, and YouTube growth strategies. And without wasting time, let's get down to the business of the day. At number 1, we have extra silence. The first mistake is leaving extra silence at the beginning or end of your clips. This makes your video feel awkward and slow. To fix this, zoom into your timeline and trim off any unnecessary pauses, especially at the start and end of your video. Clean cuts make your video feel tighter and more professional immediately. At number 2, we have using too many effects. This is the fastest way to ruin your good video. If you are adding too many transitions, glitches, zooms, blurs, and color filters to your video just because they are available in your editing app, your video will look messy and distracting. Using every effect you see does not make your video look better. Instead, it makes it chaotic. To fix this, use effects only when they support the message of your video. Simple transitions look more professional. And remember, less is better. Number 3 is bad audio. You can survive with average video quality, but bad audio, that will make people leave immediately. Here's how to fix it. First, reduce background noise. You can do this by recording in a quiet environment. Then, if possible, use a noise-cancelling mic. Next, in your editing software, apply noise reduction to clean up your audio. Lastly, lower your background music during dialogue. Your music should never overpower your voice. If your viewers struggle to hear you, they won't stay. So always prioritize voice clarity. Number 4 is no subtitles. Many viewers watch videos without turning up the volume. If you are not using subtitles, you are losing engagement. So to fix this, use auto captions, make them readable, and avoid tiny fonts. Clear subtitles increase retention, especially on mobile. Mistake number 5, long intros. Nobody wants to watch a 1-minute logo animation. People click your video for value, not for an intro. To fix this, start with the problem you are solving. Briefly introduce what the video is about and introduce yourself. Then dive straight into the content of the video. Mistake number 6, inconsistent text styles. If you are using different fonts, different font colors, and font sizes throughout your video, it will look unstructured because too many styles feel chaotic. What you should do instead is choose one font style, stick to one color theme, and keep your subtitles and headings consistent from beginning to the end of your video. Remember, consistency feels professional. Mistake number 7, poor framing. If your face is appearing too small, too far, or awkwardly positioned, it feels uncomfortable to watch. To fix this, make sure your subject is properly centered. You can also use the rule of thirds. Avoid too much empty space on your video frame. Always remember that good framing makes your video feel intentional and clean. Mistake number 8, overusing background music. Music should support your video and not compete with it. If your viewers are struggling to hear your voice, that's a problem. To fix this, lower your background music to about 10 to 20% volume. Your message is the priority. The music is just a support. Mistake number 9, no clear structure. While recording videos, many beginners turn on the camera and start talking randomly. This leads to poor watch time. Instead, what you should do is to structure your videos like this. Start with a hook, deliver the value, and then wrap it up clearly. A simple structure keeps people watching. So plan your content before turning on the camera. At number 10, we have not watching your video before uploading. Many creators finish editing and next they export and upload to YouTube immediately. The right thing to do is to always watch your video fully before posting. You might catch things like audio imbalance, graphic mistakes, awkward cuts, and editing errors. By watching first, you can review and fix anything that needs fixing before re-exporting and uploading. You should be the first person to watch your video, not your audience. And you should do this either while still in the editing app or on your device after the first export. If you avoid these 10 mistakes, your video will instantly look more professional. Which one have you been guilty of? Please tell me in the comments below. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.